Let's play e4. Morra Smith is usually quite fun to play. I think better results than the ordinary open Sicilian. Let's take on d4. So we got a c3 Sicilian transposition. This seems a nice position. Castle, bishop f3, queen f3, hitting a8. Don't want to take on d6 now though. Play rook e1 takes. Oh, I think that's interesting as well. e1. Rook e5. Got bishop b5 check here. I might try that. And rook g5. Actually, bishop c6, queen f3. So it takes queen a8. King f8, rook g5. Or bishop f4. Rook g5 or rook h5 to protecting h2. I don't know if this is fair or what. This is weird. It would appear to be good news that the opponent can't castle. Rook h5. Why not? Potentially a juicy position here. Queen g4. I don't know where the attack is actually. Maybe it's not that juicy. Oh, actually, queen g4, queen h4. Attacking h7. He's spending a bit of time here, so maybe there are some issues he's looked at as well. These hanging pawns, if I can liberate them later with c4 and d5, that would be good. Potentially. This bishop, I think, needs to come back. It's not doing anything on b5. Essentially tactical liability. Something like bishop d3 and then c4 might be good. Okay, I don't really want to lose my dark square bishop. That's an interesting move. So bishop e1 if I want to maintain it, and then maybe c4, bishop e4 later. I'll go for that. Queen g4. Rook h4. Rook h4. I still want to play bishop d3, I think. No, well, the rook's getting trapped potentially. Not quite there at the moment with g5, rook h5, bishop g5. Unless c4 immediately, but then I don't know, a6 bishop come over this way, then I would have bishop b4s and d5s and queen d4s. And I'll go for that, c4 immediately, why not? Actually a6, bishop a4 is queen c4, no there isn't. I just want to get in d5, I think, this diagonal. Okay, d5 now, threatened queen d4 straight away, almost winning a piece. As well as d6, that's good, and bishop c3. Rook h5 here. We can take and then rook h8. There's bishop c3 there. Bishop e5. No, there's queen g5. f6 is bishop f6. Oh, that's okay. Bishop c3. Unless e5. It's got e5. But it cuts queen and bishop off. So bishop f6 and queen h8. Maybe you missed that. I think you had to play e5. People have been raving about the C3 Sicilians, which I usually transpose to when I play the Morra Smith. So I don't know, C3 Sicilian it just seems it's easy to play. The positions are sometimes very easy to play compared to the open Sicilian. He resigns. 24 moves. Resigns. Let's have a quick look at that. So transposition. Because he refused the Gambit into a c3 line. I'm not sure knight c3 is a good line actually. I think it's actually maybe bishop c4 is preferred. So this looks interesting though, especially after bishop b5 check. So c4. Maybe this is a bit controversial. When I played rook h5, I played rook h3. It's got g4, then if rook h4 there's bishop g5. I don't know, so maybe this is okay to take on h5. This bishop, if he has to play e5, it doesn't matter about losing it. h2, I think just queen g4 there. And that'll be okay. So I think I had an okay position. Please leave any comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.